let's fix Instagram can't delete story. So if open Instagram and you can't delete your story, there are few things that you can go for Google or Safari, whatever the web browser that you're comfortable with, and you can search for internet speed test. And sometimes if your internet speed is low and you can't delete that, you can run your internet speed test. And now if mine is high and if yours is low, you can scroll your screen and you can switch over Wi-Fi and cellular data. And all you can do is again you can tap on settings. There you can scroll to find apps and scroll to find Instagram. This is the second way that you can fix your deleting story. So you can tap on Instagram, and there if you scroll you can find clear data. There you can tap on clear data, and again you can log in for Instagram, or otherwise you can tap on Play Store. This is the third way. You can go for searching Instagram. Sometimes if Instagram has any update and it won't let you do certain things, so you can update your app, and this is how you can fix Instagram can't delete story. Thank you.